Another day, another 992 generation GT3 is in the shop for exhaust upgrade. So today in the shop, we have this beautifully spec 992.1 GT3 Touring is in for this Akrapovic titanium exhaust upgrade. So before we begin the installation of the Akrapovic exhaust, let's start up the GT3, do a sound check, listen to how does it sounds like with the factory exhaust system. So a little bit of information here. This 992.1 GT3 Touring is actually a UK imported unit, so it does have the OPF, GPF particulate filters, and with that filters, that being said, this car is extremely quiet, I would say, because of all the regulations and stuff, the particulate filters that basically kills off all the noise on the GT3. Now behind me, the GT3 Touring has been completely stripped on the rear section. Everything from the rear has been removed in order to remove this very heavy and bulky factory catback section. This is the rear mufflers that we are going to replace with this Akrapovic titanium slip-on raceline system. So now we'll take a few minutes to briefly talk about what are the key differences between the factory rear muffler and the Akrapovic catback section, and also what are the benefits of having the Akrapovic exhaust. So first of all, this factory rear exhaust, as you can see, is massively huge, very heavy, and also it kills off a lot of sound in this rear muffler section. It is extremely restrictive. There's a lot of blockage happening inside this muffler section. Then to the Akrapovic exhaust, as you can see, it is completely redesigned by the team over at Akrapovic. So of course it features a much smaller muffler section. Also, these are made out of high-grade titanium material. They are extremely lightweight, and with this design, it will give the GT3 Touring a very sporty exhaust tone once we have this installed on the car. Besides the sound, because of the titanium material, of course, the weight reduction that you get with this Akrapovic system is massive. This is a lot lighter compared to this factory rear exhaust system, which is very heavy actually. While for the performance improvements wise, definitely with the Akrapovic exhaust installed, you will get some proper performance increase. And according to the Akrapovic officials, with this titanium slip-on raceline system installed, there will be some significant performance improvements, whereby there will be around 14.1 horsepower, 38.1 Newton meters of torque increase, and for the weight reduction, it will be around 4.2 kilograms lighter compared to the original exhaust system. So with the Akrapovic exhaust installed on your GT3 or your GT3 RS, not only that you get better sound, you will also benefit from proper performance improvements. Also, one of the key highlights of the Akrapovic exhaust is this beautiful Akrapovic titanium tailpipes that are specially designed for the 992 generation GT3 and GT3 RS. Well, for the valve control function, it is fully compliant with the factory controls. So we'll just transfer the electric valve actuators and plug on directly onto the Akrapovic exhaust, and we are good to go. The owners can operate the valves by using the drive modes or the exhaust button inside the car. So for this Akrapovic exhaust system, it is a fully plug and play solution. There's no any weldings or modifications needed. Also, even though if you have a OPF or GPF particulate filters on your car like this one, there will be no check engine light issue, so you don't need to worry about having to remap the car or tune the car. And that's all for the product explanation part. So now we'll get back to work to install the Akrapovic exhaust onto the GT3 Touring, and later once we have everything fitted, of course, as usual, we'll do a sound check, listen to how does the car sounds like after we upgraded with the Akrapovic exhaust, and also bring the car out for a test drive. And now this is how the GT3 Touring sounds like after we upgraded the Akrapovic exhaust system. So before we end our video, we'll take a few minutes to walk around the car, talk a little bit more about the specs, the color, the options on this very beautiful and classy spec 992.1 GT3 Touring. We start off with the exterior. As you can see, this GT3 Touring, it has a quite interesting color. So this is the PTS paint to sample Yachting blue color, which looks really nice under the lights, and also it looks very, very classy, especially when you have this PTS color paired with the silver wheels. And also right behind the wheels, the car also has the optional carbon ceramic brakes. The calipers are optionally painted in black color as well. To the rear, because it is a Touring, so you do not have the very large swan neck rear wing like the one that you have on the standard GT3. And right over here, the car has the red color tail lights, the standard tail lights instead of the optional clear tail lights. And down below, this is our newly installed Akrapovic titanium slip-on race night system that sounds beautiful and also looks beautiful at the same time with these titanium tailpipes. Besides the Akrapovic exhaust, the owner has also upgraded a soft spring conversion kit from Suspension Secrets on his GT3 Touring because he said that the original spring is too harsh. It feels like it's a little bit too bumpy for his liking. So he changed the original spring to the Suspension Secret soft spring, and the car now feels more comfortable, more soft to drive, which that the owner, he actually prefers this kind of driving feeling. So that's all for today's video. Let us know in the comment section below what do you think about the Akrapovic exhaust system, the titanium slip-on race line on this GT3 Touring. Will remain the factory headers with the OPF GPF particulate filters. So now this car, it sounds louder than original, but it's not extremely loud, which is also one of the requirements from the owner. He just wants something that is a little bit louder but not crazy loud. And also do let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the specs, the color, this PTS Yachting blue color on this 992 GT3 Touring. I personally feels that the Touring with this PTS color, it looks really beautiful and it looks really classy. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future. We'll see you in our next video.